Hey gentlemen, do you have logical, boring, nice guy conversations with women that lead to nothing? Then my friend, this video is for you, because I'm gonna tell you a conversational structure on an emotional level and on a verbal level what you need to do to get girls interested, to make them like you, to build a real connection with girls, and that you can get exactly the kind of woman that you want. So when I started to go out to meet girls in the daytime, to bars, to nightclubs, and I basically changed my entire life, and when I said, okay, I'm committing to this and I'm gonna get great at this, I had the following problem. So my vibe and energy was always like kind of needy, and I didn't know how to present myself. You know, I have a lot of clients that are actually great guys, but that just suck at self-presentation. You know, they don't know what to communicate about them. They don't know what to do and what to say in a conversation to get the girls really interested. And funny enough, most of these guys are really intelligent, successful guys, you know, guys that crush it in business, or they just have something on, that have a great career, but they suck so much at self-presentation that they don't even know what to communicate to the girl. And generally, they talk to the girls as if they don't have any value, as if they are the one that is leeching the value. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can structure your conversations on an emotional level and on a verbal level that you can be successful. Because we basically have like 3 types of diagrams here, right? And this is basically from when you say hello to a girl, when you say hi, to your goal, so your bedroom, right? And this diagram is basically showing the interaction from hi to phone number and the initial conversations that you're having with a girl. And by the way, it's not just about the girls, because if you know how to talk to girls, you will also know how to lead men and how to become great, and men will follow you, because most men do not have any woman in their life. And one of the reasons is that they're boring, that they're logical, that the conversations are not playful, that they're not fun, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So, a typical nice guy conversation, right? How is it looking like? So, nice guys are generally always like kind of agreeable. They don't say anything risky. They're not polarizing. They agree with everything the girl says. They're kind of having like a submissive body language and weak voice and tonality, and it's already bad, right? But you can fix all of this. I can teach you how to fix all of this. I've been a nice guy, I've been a people pleaser, and I can tell you exactly how to become confident and charismatic and be someone that is giving value in interactions. But a nice guy, what is he doing? He starts a conversation, he makes up the courage once a year, and he goes up to the girl and he says something. And it might be funny. Let's say it's funny. So you spike the girl's emotions, right? And then you talk to the girl and she's answering and conversation is fun and everything. And then very quickly, and I'm talking about someone that is okay at conversations, right? But the nice guys, they're basically asking all the time questions. So like in a job interview, where are you from? What do you do? What do you work? How much do you work? How's your desk at your job looking like? You know, just very boring conversations. No emotional talk, something really logical, and they think that if they're asking like all these job interview questions, that they get the girl's attention. But the problem is, here they have the girl's attention, but then the girl realized, okay, he's also kind of hiding his intention, you know, he's not real, he's a real nice guy, and he's just losing attention, you know, he's losing the girl's attention, and then at that point the girl is just like, was nice to meet you, but I have to go now, I have to meet my friends, I have an appointment, yeah, thank you very much for the compliment, but they never get anything. No phone numbers, no dates, no good reactions, they don't make the girl laugh. It's so boring that the girls almost fall asleep. So I'm going to show you now what you have to do instead. And this is the most important thing of all things you learn about flirting and generally being interesting. Because you have to become an interesting person, and so many people actually have a great life and are fun guys and are cool to talk to, but they don't know when and what to communicate the right things to the girl. So look, how a player conversation looks like, how a funny interaction between you and a girl looks like. So you see the girl and then you open the conversation, right? But you open with a good vibe and with a good energy. Playful, enthusiastic, friendly. You have good intentions, you actually have some intentions and you don't hide your intentions. You have to show the girl that you're interested in her somehow, that it's man to woman, and then you spike her emotions, right? So, emotional spike, we call this. Emotional spike. Just so you know. You spike her emotions, then you have kind of like boring, normal talk. She's talking about her, you're talking about you, and then you spike her emotions again, okay? Then you have normal kind of talk again. You know, she's telling you where is she going to school, what is she doing. You just get to know about her and you also ask about her. But the problem between a nice guy conversation and the flirt actually is that the nice guy is not doing any emotional spikes. Because when you spike an emotion, and an emotional spike, for example, can be like a tease, a nag, then of course when you say something about yourself, you know, when you do your personal elevator pitch, I can teach you exactly how to do that, when and what to communicate about yourself. And then of course when you are touching a girl. Okay, so Kino. When you are touching a girl, you're also spiking her emotions, but most nice guys are so afraid of the erection, are so afraid what's going to happen if they just show their intentions, if they're just touching the girl, that they never do it. And they never spike her emotions. And they never get to a conversation where it's actually fun for the girl. Because from high to her bedroom, the only thing that has to happen is fun, 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 fun. Oh, we ended up in the bedroom. You understand? And that's what most guys don't understand. They think they can logically convince the girl to go with them, right? And you don't have to talk about sex. You don't have to talk about all that romantic stuff. You just have to give the girl the feeling or make the girl laugh and make it a lot of fun. So you open the conversation and the emotional spikes are actually the thing that is building attraction. The emotional spike are the things that building attraction. You're teasing her, you're challenging her, you're touching her. You say push-pull kind of things. Hey, you look really cute with your hamster cheeks or anything like that. And then you just go into small talk, so vibing. And then when she likes you, because you have to get the girl attracted to you first, and then you can build comfort. And once you've built comfort, then you can close and ask for her phone number, ask for her Instagram, tell her, hey, let's meet, let's do something together. And then you text her, then you get the girl out, you ask her, hey, let's do this, let's do that together, and then you are actually going somewhere. So this is on a macro level. This is on a micro level, how the interaction should look like. Just normal talk with emotional spikes, not nice guy conversation that is going downhill like Bitcoin right now, right? So always make sure that you're having a good vibe and energy. Then make sure that you're having a good self-presentation. Then your value exchange, that you're knowing how to present yourself. And then of course, that you make the girl feel comfortable enough that she wants to meet with you. Because a girl also has to know some things about you that she wants to meet you. Look, if you are having these kind of conversations, boring, logical, nice guy, you don't know what to say, you don't know how to escalate, you don't know how to do certain things with girls, then what I want you to do is that you apply for a free consultation call with me and my team. And we are going to call you, analyze your situation, find out if and how exactly we can help you, and then we can make a step-by-step plan, find the perfect strategy for you, of course teach you how to flirt, give you some tips, give you some value, give you some recommendations on what you would do. And if you want, and if you're a good fit, then maybe you can become a part of one of my coaching programs. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, watch all the other channels, and then, my friends, apply for a free consultation call and see you in the next video.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling in it.